Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming available space and securing data. Open storage to see which folders hog the disk because you need priorities. Run a quick antivirus sweep to catch hidden growth and create a restore point so you can undo mistakes. Once done, copy irreplaceable files to an external disk or cloud. This protects you while deleting. Make sure to note large file types, videos, VM, or ISO, so you can target them first for removal or migration. Now perform the deep work. Uninstall applications you no longer use, sorting by disk usage to remove heavy offenders first, because apps often consume GBs. Then run the built-in cleanup utilities, disk cleanup or storage sense, to clear temp files, caches, and old update files that accumulate. After that, scan for large individual files with a disk analyzer, move big media to external storage, compress archives you must keep, or delete duplicates. Finish by optimizing and reducing ongoing bloat. Defragment mechanical drives or run trim on SSDs because this improves performance and space handling. Tweak the page file and disable hibernation if you need tens of gigabytes back, but weigh that against performance needs. Once configured, schedule periodic cleanups. If you still lack space, install an additional drive or upgrade to a larger SSD. Troubleshooting tip: if deleted space doesn't appear, run a full reboot and check for shadow copies or recycle bin holding data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.